Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford stroker engine for our customer's 1990 Mustang GT. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft, proper oil pan for the Fox body Mustang, oil stick and tube is on there. We have these real nice AFR Renegade cylinder heads on there, roller rocker arms, all adjusted and set. These real nice Mustang valve covers. We have the proper water pump, reverse rotation, heavy duty aluminum water pump. I put the proper studs in there for the brackets for the customer. Proper balance, brand new balancer, all set in place. Oil pressure extensions on there. This is the proper timing cover for the 90 Mustang. Right there, the battery cable ground strap goes right there on the timing cover. Proper timing cover. We have these real nice Taylor ignition wires with all the wire markers. Proper distributor set in place. Thermostat housing, Ford Racing thermostat housing. Thermostats in place. Bypass hose is all set. We have the billet steel Ford Racing flywheel on there. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearing in there. You have the part number scribed into the flywheel firm. Proper tooth count and balance for the 347 stroker. This customer is running a T56 manual transmission, so that's a proper flywheel on there. We put these real nice engine lift brackets on there, make it simple for them. PCV valves installed, crankcase breathers installed inside the intake manifold. All the vacuum lines all hooked up for a nice simple installation. Vacuum hose hooked up for the vacuum tree on the firewall, all set. All the coolant, water coolant lines going up to the throttle body. BBK 70mm throttle body and spacer on there. All the vacuum ventilation lines hooked up, all ready to go. Edelbrock Performer RPM2 intake manifold is all set. Even put the ARP proper intake bolts on the intake manifold and the proper stud on there for the heater pipe. So you know when you get this engine, it's going to be drop-in ready. You'll have total confidence when you put it in, ready to go. Everything is right. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. That's our 347 Ford stroker engine for the Fox body Mustang. Thanks for watching.